Hello viewers, today I'm going to show how to change background very easily. In Photoshop 2020 you have got the advanced option, so where you can change your background very easily within a short time. So now you can see this is the object and this is the background place. Okay, so I want this object to be changed in the background. So what is this background? This is the background and this is my object. So how to do it easily? So firstly you just have to select the object, select these pictures object and come to the properties and the quick action. You can see another option has been added in Photoshop 2020. So you just have to click remove background. All you can say, it's just happening. It is almost done. Yes, you can see it's almost done. The layer marks already been added and the background already been hidden. So it's not, you can say it's not properly done, but it is nicely differently change the background. Like in Photoshop 19 or 18, if you can go to remove this part, if you can come to in the previous versions, if you want to change this way in this with this short time, you won't able to do it. So 2020 is helping us to save our time. This is how you can remove your background easily. Thank you so much.